Mic test 1, 2, 3. Cincai ready. Let's go, babe.
Bismillah. Y'all, it's Chinchay time. The boys from Lion City, rapping down in Melbourne. We keep it real, we keep it raw. No filter, tech the topics. Chinchay, where the hustle meets the
Lion
chill.
City
Singapura
Pride,
sampai
let's
Melbourne, kita
go.
goyang. Cerita hidup budaya. Tak ada drama, semua ikhlas. From the city streets to the island breeze, kita rock. Chinchay, all real, no lies. This ain't your average podcast, this is Chinchay. Melbourne vibes, Lion City Pride. Kita punya channel, let's ride. Chinchay style akan layu hilang di dunia selagi berpegang teguh kepada agama Islam. Berni bright style like a semua beat top. Rapping cinta sama shibi hela T-top. Melbourne vibes, Lion City Pride. Kita punya channel, let's ride. Chinchay style. Oh, the city's top.
Abang Jai, let's go.
We keep it real, we keep it raw of everyday life. Don't feel to change shy with a hustle needs to chill. Dari Singapura sampai Melbourne kita gegar cerita hidup budaya. Tidak ada semua lepas ada drama, tak ada pura-pura. Real talk je, to change shy. Korang santai je. This ain't your average podcast, this is change shy. Dua budaya satu vibe, kita punya style, kita punya cara. Let's go change shy lah, let's go change shy lah. Change shy lah.
Enjoy, boys. This is for you. One for the culture.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Cincai session round 2. Round 3. Selamat datang kembali So still with me today kita ada Cik Kifli. Apa khabar Cik Kifli?
Khabar baik.
Alhamdulillah. Dia ada segan sikit pasal muka dia sudah keluar Spotify kan, dengan TikTok, dengan Instagram So alhamdulillah today is our second week Ramadan. Bukan second week
week.
Bukan third week
15 of Ramadan.
15 middle mid the start
Singapore
of
is 14.
Singapore is 14 lah. So kita dah first
Kita hit one month.
kita hit one So so alhamdulillah we already in the mid of Ramadan lah. Dah 15 mid of Ramadan. So far we had a very good conversation last week. Okay, kita berbual tentang orang udah lama. So and then about makanan and all the progression everything. So alhamdulillah. But this time round kita tengok news. Ada dengar Liverpool nak datang Melbourne ni. Oh. Baik
You never walk alone.
Never walk alone, that's it. So Liverpool is coming down to Melbourne So we're gonna watch the game insyaAllah. Liverpool Melbourne Liverpool against Australia A-League punya All-Star. So the date is yet to confirm. So sesiapa Liverpool fan nak datang ke Melbourne, mai kita ramai-ramaikan dengan budak-budak cincai and everything. You can do it down here as well. And then the next thing is today Uncle, so last week kita ada banyak perbincangan which was a solid goal perbincangan we have the one that we talk about orang baru datang sini macam mana and everything. Assalamualaikum. Bayar zakat? Okay. Bayar zakat. Bismillah. Sekarang kita mengasihkan Cik Kifli membayar zakat.
Okay. Bayar.
Podcast is brought to you. Aku lupa nak kasih ni sponsor lah kan. So salah satu sponsor, terima kasih Cik Osman Raila for this podcast is brought to you by KMIV Khairat Melayu Islam Victoria. Okay, so Khairat Melayu Islam Victoria adalah sebuah komuniti di sini yang dibina lebih daripada 20 tahun dah lebih daripada 30 tahun dah kat sini. So jika betul punya otai that's considered is that the first group Malay group here? Consider?
Yeah.
First
That's the first Malay group.
in Victoria.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
right.
we got another persatuan PMB, but more on cultural.
PMV,
It's Persatuan Melayu Victoria.
person of
It's
Melayu.
only cultural,
Okay.
but this game might be more on religious. Menolong orang-orang susah.
PMV lah.
Itu KMIV ni KMIV menolong orang-orang lah.
Okay. So kita dah banyak dapat talking about it and alhamdulillah which I've seen it happen. You guys have done it as well. So now kita punya community berapa banyak ni dalam kita members lah kira kan siapa yang dah masuk KMIV ni, dah berapa banyak orang masuk KMIV?
More than 300.
More than 300 This is something that we can discuss dengan I think maybe dapat interview dengan Cik Osman pun bagus interview dengan Cik Osman Raila which is good.
Interview dengan dia
Presiden InsyaAllah
So you got the actual numbers, actual years.
Right. InsyaAllah kita akan temukan dengan Cik Osman Raila pada soon lah, lepas raya Raya senang ah. Boleh makan, boleh minum. Sekarang susah. But instead as well, let's get back to the same topic kita patah balik ke topik yang tadi. So last week kita dah ada follow up dengan we talk about migration. Okay, side migration, dan kita berbual pasal makanan halal. Kita berbual pasal macam orang kat sini macam mana diorang hidup kat sini, you all be in your first days. Habis banyak orang, so alhamdulillah lepas kita release the podcast, banyak orang came in with questions actually. So the first question dia tanya kenapa Cik Kiti pilih Melbourne? Dia say you tak pergi kat Sydney ke Perth ke. Perth pergi dekat sampai 4 jam kan. Kalau you suka patah balik kan.
First, my choice is Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
Asal Canada?
Because I just kata orang try apply to get out of Singapore,
Okay.
apply to Canada.
Okay.
Because since I got opportunity to Melbourne, so I go to Melbourne. But
Alright.
but because my opportunity come to Melbourne, when I stay in Melbourne, I feel so relieved. Compared to Sydney,
Relief
Sydney,
ke relax? Relief and relax.
relief lah.
Oh, relief lah.
Pasal Sydney consider
Busy.
crowded, very
busy.
crowded now.
Dia duduk apa? Asians lah.
Asian one thing, I mean the standard of living there is too high,
Okay.
and the property is too high, too expensive. And so Melbourne just coming up.
Oh, okay.
Melbourne just coming up.
Right.
So compared to Perth, Adelaide, or somewhere else, Melbourne's better.
It's something different lah.
Melbourne better.
Betul. I think it's just about something different.
If you want to adventure, okay, you can go to Sydney or Melbourne and see the difference.
How's the difference I mean I've been driving up and down Sydney. I memang suka makan Sydney kan. I suka macam dorang punya makanan. I don't know why, but somehow rather dia punya makanan lagi banyak kat sana. Makanan halal dia besar. I think because of the Middle Eastern ni budak-budak banyak kat sana. So bandingkan back then in Sydney dengan sekarang. So back then kat sini
The problem Sydney and Melbourne, Sydney consider is cosmopolitan.
cosmopolitan lah. Okay.
Melbourne is metropolitan.
Alright.
So if cosmopolitan is much bigger city than the Melbourne as a metropolitan.
Alright.
So such a big city, so kata orang, and now more people are coming out from Sydney to come to Melbourne.
I see.
That's the reason now Melbourne is fastest growing population than Sydney.
Antai bagus lah. Habis bandingkan Perth you dah pernah pergi lah.
Perth, if you want Perth, can be relaxed
Okay.
and low pace, and the city is not that great. If you've been to Perth, then you can account how Melbourne is.
Right.
But you can try to go to Perth and see and compare when you go to Melbourne.
Okay.
There Melbourne is just right,
Memang just right.
just right.
Dia betul-betul kat bawah tu.
Yeah.
Dia betul-betul kat bawah. 4 weathers.
Yeah.
4 seasons in the
Macam
weather. Assalamualaikum brother. You punya TO Ais Laci solid goal. Hari ni awak pergi sedang Allah. Bang. 2 hari ni bang. 2. Nanti lewat sikit lah. Nanti sebelum balik lah nanti. Boleh DP ni brother, DP TO Ais Laci solid goal lah. Sedap Dia macam sejuk tangan dia. Tuan manager ni kena ada 2. Okay. Dan kira.
Perth, that's what I told you, Perth, low pace, and furthermore, is kata orang, it's good to start up. Perth, you want to start up, it's good.
I see.
Perth.
Okay.
Then you know the difference between Perth and Melbourne, because Perth, low pace, the
see.
city life is not like Melbourne, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Ah.
Melbourne different
Yeah.
lah. But comparing Melbourne dengan Sydney lagi busy.
Yeah, sini
Lorong ke train station, wow, I was so amazed lah. You know, one thing I like about Sydney, sampai makanan nak, tapi nak tinggal sana, busy. It's really,
But if I got choice, I not go anywhere. I stay in Melbourne. Yeah. Macam Melbourne tu dah macam hometown, dah relax. Dah very comfortable. You know?
comfortable more
Very
nature.
comfortable.
Kita macam, we are in the middle of everything
You got
Kita,
everything.
macam setengah nature.
Even Formula 1 in Melbourne. MotoGP in Melbourne.
Correct.
What do you want?
Betul cakap.
So Melbourne is one of the great city.
Melbourne is a great city. The Greater Melbourne eh.
Yeah, gitu. What you have in Sydney,
Right,
what
right.
you have in Perth, you know,
I see, I
Right.
see, I see.
and in Melbourne you can adventure, you know, anyway.
Aduh, banyak soalan nak cakap. Asal Cik Kipling kau ni muka dia macam takut-takut, shy. Padahal dia tak shy. Memang, oh, you pun
You
ada-
haven't know me, you don't talk about me.
No, these people know you.
Yeah.
That's what they say about you.
Who?
Tak tahulah, comments lah
Oh,
dah
yeah.
keluar. Camera shy konon. Dia cakap, macam mana ni? You salah satu otak you bahasakan sikit basuh budak-budak ni. Kesian orang.
Apa?
Oi.
Kata orang belum kenal belum cinta.
Belum kenal, belum cinta.
Belum kenal belum tahu
Okay, belum tahu. Aduh, okay. Diorang pun ada tanya soalan, okay. So last week kan kita dah berbual pasal ni semua, diorang suruh follow up. Okay, good. So this time lah kita nak tahu pasal kos you pergi pasar kat sini macam mana. I tak tahu ni diorang punya soalan very random lah. So, time you pergi pasar kat sini, you pergi grocery shopping kan, you berbual pasal grocery shopping. I tak tahu kenapa diorang munculkan ni topik. So diorang cakap pasal grocery shopping, you pergi grocery shopping something like that.
Yeah, what you want?
Harga,
It depends
maybe.
what you want. Harga,
Tapi diorang tak tahu sini diorang jual lah longgok
Uh-huh.
in bulk.
yeah. If you really want to know about grocery shopping, you come to Melbourne and see. See, satu kotak apple can cost you $5.
Ya ke?
Ya last minute-nya lah.
Oh, dan no
Kedai-kedai.
market. Oh, yeah.
They no market, you know.
Then no market. Yang kat market, what he's trying to say is that on Saturday, Sunday is market day. So on market day, diorang buka harga pagi lain tau. Bila harga at the end of the day, dapat harga lain. Super the murah. We
Super
talking
the murah.
about super the murah. Talking about 10 kilos. 10 kilos for maybe what, $4? $4, $5? Ada.
$5.
For $5 of onion ke potato, you name it lah kira kan. Ini bagusnya kalau you all nak buat macam jualan.
Jualan.
Buat jualan. You all,
Macam potato, onion, all are very cheap.
yes, 100%. So in saying that as well, bila buat tu cuma is very very cheap lah. Tuan manager kat sini dia tengah monitor cincang ni sekarang, dia very agresif hari ni. Dia tengah tengok.
Dia dengan monitor.
Dia tengah monitor. Nampak tuan manager kat sini. Tuan, nampak muka tuan manager. Reflection. Tak nampak. Okay, so kita berbual pasar-pasar and everything, which is great. Now, apa lagi Cik Kifli boleh share pasal kehidupan dalam, in Melbourne itself?
Kehidupan macam.
Kehidupan, life in Melbourne.
For me, kehidupan in Melbourne is kata orang compare in Singapore different tau. Macam sini,
Apa dia
the best is
Let's play
kita
the
balik
different
kerja tu balik rumah.
sini?
Ha.
Habis orang Singapura tak beli rumah?
Singapore balik dong. Dulu during my time, kalau balik kerja tak orang balik rumah.
Habis?
Melencong lain tempat dulu. Tell me,
Ya ke?
Singapore, you will never go home straight.
Okay.
Mesti dia singgah mana, singgah itu duduk bual-bual dengan members balik. Sini, balik, tu balik rumah.
Okay.
Tell me, have you done that? Tak pernah kan?
Tengok berapa jauh you tinggal. You kerja kat mana berapa jauh?
Ya, tunggu pun.
Macam for
Macam kita macam tak ada nak
Ada
santai-santai.
tujuan lain lah. Oh, tempat
santai.
lepak-lepak ni semua.
Lepak-lepak dengan member ke jumpa sini.
Right. Okay, understand what you mean. For me, my journey pergi balik is 1 hour. Tuan manager dah balik. Okay, dia dah balik.
Nanti nak balik.
Baik. Tuan manager balik. Mesti tuan manager. Tuan manager very garang.
Enggak. Dengan
Ya.
siapa? Seorang.
Lemak.
Alone. Seorang. Seorang duduk sini lagi berbual.
Dia segan. Dia nak tengok kita buat betul tak betul. Itu je. Dia tengah monitor. Terima kasih tuan manager. Tu manager saya. Okay. Right. Melencong. Okay. Macam for me, I drive pergi kerja 1 jam 10 minit. Drive je. Naik gunung, turun gunung, naik turun gunung, pergi balik.
Dia naik gunung, turun gunung.
Hmm.
Naik kerja 10 minit.
10 minit? Oh, tu memang you pay rezeki lah. Dekat lah 10 minit lah. Tu memang rezeki you. Okey lah. Pasal apa?
And kata orang kat sini balik kerja sungguh pun I got the chance to pergi mana punya mall ke, tapi I feel macam I don't know, macam nak balik je. know what's it.
Itu bila? Sekarang ke dulu?
Sekarang ni.
Sekarang ni?
Sekarang.
Sekarang ni dah lain ke?
Bukan masa dah family tempat sini.
Okey.
Sejak dulu lah.
Okey.
Bukan baru-baru ni lah. Kita macam memang dulu
Okey.
sejak ada di Melbourne
Aha.
kalau balik mesti terus balik rumah. Ada rumah balik. Sekarang ni. Macam
Kalau dulu tak?
dulu bujang lain lah.
Bujang
Bujang lain lah.
Okay. Macam for me, 1 jam, I have to stop. I tak boleh balik 1 hour stay macam. I have to stop somewhere.
Oh, because turun journey.
Long journey satu.
Oh yeah.
Habis after that,
Depend
bump, I will get stuck in traffic. Jadi gila. Penat tau. 1 jam 10 minit. Pergi 1 jam 10 minit.
Once upon a time, you know where I work? Masih saya bujang, I kerja di Ballarat.
Tinggal di mana?
Tinggal di Ballarat.
Tinggal kat Ballarat, kerja kat Ballarat. Okey lah, Ballarat.
And on weekend, Friday, I drive from Ballarat straight to Melbourne to see my friend. Cost me 2 hours to drive. Every weekend.
Ballarat tak ada kawan tu?
No, macam because all my best friends are in Melbourne.
Okay.
All my buddies,
Okay, let's go to that direction lah. Now, when you say you tinggal Ballarat, you buat apa kat Ballarat? Kerja apa?
work as a twin day making. Twin day making.
Content making lah. Right, berapa lama you kerja kat Ballarat?
Kerja sana setahun aja.
Right.
You know why? Pasal I just wanna get out from Singapore.
Right.
I just take any job that just the easiest way lah.
Okay. For those who tak tahu Ballarat kat mana, Ballarat is up north Am I right? Northwest of Melbourne, is it?
It's somewhere
Yeah. It should be northwest of
west.
Melbourne. West.
of suburb.
Okay, western suburb of Melbourne
Yeah.
So one thing good about Ballarat sesiapa nak datang sini nak try dorang penasih for gold mining.
Gold mining.
Gold mining.
Gold mine town.
Kalau you nak cari gold, cari emas, you kena siap lah pakai tu mesin everything, the metal detector, and then bring your trays and everything, your basins, do a lot of washing of the sands itself lah. So this is something about the Ballarat that if you guys want to test it out to see whether is it possible, you know, in the long run. Bukan tolongan ini just for holiday sake lah. Holiday purposes, kalau you nak cari emas, you all can come down to Ballarat lah Oh, okay. So berapa lama you duduk Ballarat at the time?
From October to December. Yeah, more than 1 year lah, 1 year 2 months.
October to September. Oh, lama juga.
Yeah. That time I bujang. Remember, that time I bujang.
Bujang senang lah kan?
Bujang senang. That's the problem. Kita baru sampai macam everything bujang senang lah ke sana sini, you know. Aja sampai sini, then for few months I bought a car lah. Kata orang not expensive car lah, just to kata orang to A and B je lah, no?
A and B lah.
Santai je.
Ni kalau you cakap macam kan, rasa kawan-kawan yang tengok ni sekarang kan nanti semua bombat balik. Ya ke? Alright guys, I tell you what, kita ambil rehat. Kita ambil rehat. Kita ambil again pasal kita pun tengah puasa juga. Tak nak berbual macam-macam sangat. Aus kan. Mari kita ambil rehat dulu. Kita akan sambung lagi sebelah sini. Alright, ciao. Okay. Cik Kifli
Ayah tak boleh buat lah.
Cik Kifli tengah tengok F1 nampak ni. Orang ambil tengok F1.
Tempat gelap lah, terang.
Pergi. Saya tempat gelap. Bukan senang especially bila kita duduk dekat corner-corner ni. And there is a lot of other groups also lah. Diorang collect army juga, but apparently takut clash of interest kan kat sana kan. So okay lah. Anyway, let's touch base a bit lah. I hope that you punya Ramadan is all doing well Kita dah halfway mark, lagi 15 hari insyaAllah celebrate. So this year pun aku tak balik. Rasa dah berapa lama aku tak balik Aku dah tak balik dah hampir sejak 2019 sampai sekarang. Aku nak balik lagi InsyaAllah lah. InsyaAllah satu hari akan aku kembali lah. Banyak urusan. Banyak urusan. But in saying that as well, Alhamdulillah lah. Thank you so much guys for your support lah. Really appreciate it. I really appreciate your support lah. Without your support is totally different in a way. Orang kata apa, I would not be able to hold out to Jaka this way. So nanti kita ada a few announcement to make lah. InsyaAllah lagi seminggu 2 Istana tengah bulan Ramadan kan. Kita tengah relax sikit lah. Santai-santai dulu. Kita lepaskan Ramadan baru kita catch up lah with hal ehwal yang lain lah itself. Other than that, sorry guys, ni tengah panas lah. Aku rasa aku pun dah view lah. Sekarang temperature tengah 38. 38 degrees lah. Sekarang pun tengah 38 degrees kan. So it's not easy lah. Kata ada juga orang tanya aku pengumuman apa pasal mana Zul lah, apa tak Zul mana dapat Adrian. Okay, to cut it short, Adrian tengah ni lah, dia tengah sibuk bekerja. Sekarang ni aku tengah fokus dengan Ramadan, tengah fokus dengan kerja dengan this one. InsyaAllah lah, we see how it goes. Panas Jack, panas. Dia dah 38 degree, tak boleh singit. I'm talking guys later. Now that was actually interesting Actually that was interesting. It's true what you say Kat sini kita punya bayar zakat lagi. Kita punya Nusantara punya cara bayar zakat, kita ada persalaman Salam. Arab kat sini, diorang letak dalam tabung je. Dan niat letak tabung terus jalan.
Tu dulu kita bagi.
Sekarang mana? Siapa? Yang dekat one of the malls that I remember.
Important thing is niat.
Dia niat nak bayar zakat fitrah dengan harta usaha. What they do is they put the orang macam niat dalam tak tabung. Macam kita lain lah Nusantara.
Macam ni kita ikut kampung ni dulu.
Yeah. Ni kita ikut
Kampung ni betul dulu.
Nusantara Nusantara.
Kampung you don't need your time. I don't know about your time. My time, kampung time.
Right.
Dia dengan penghulu
Penghulu?
Penghulu tau. Penghulu tu kita panggil macam Pak Lora.
Oh ya?
Jumpa dia, salaman dia, bawa beras, pinggang beras.
Bawa beras lah.
Bawa beras.
That time pakai beras, pakai minyak. Minyak ada?
Pakai beras je, beras tak ada.
Tak ada? Beras je?
Kasih duit. Tapi
duit dengan beras lah.
kau kena macam pegang beras.
Right.
Macam gitu.
Okay.
Macam gitu.
Oh.
Macam gitulah Pak.
Sini tak letak plenty saya beras? Ada ke? Ada lah. Maybe masak
Sini
lain.
tak ada.
Lain je?
Supaya beras tu kampung ni sel dulu lah.
Memang lah.
Niat macam
Yang
niat
budak
tu
India
macam
pakai beras
rezeki,
juga,
macam rezeki. Macam beras tu macam rezeki tau. Yang kita kasih.
Okay.
Tapi sini tak pernah tak ada.
Tak ada?
Itu kampungan dulu lah.
Sini kebanyakan duit lah. Duit untuk usaha lah.
Important duit and niat lah. Pasal kau punya duit tu untuk menolong urusan juga apa. Yang berhak terima masalah.
Betul?
Yang tarik ah.
Sama muka dia. Apa kena tarik?
Manja. Di sana saya duduk lah, sini panas lah.
Tak panas, dia mendong je. Guys, masih 38 Kita masih merasa panas kat sini 38. Ni kita punya orang kata apa, komitmen lah. Kita punya komitmen bahasa Melayu apa? Tak boleh. Komitmen apa bahasa Melayu?
Something that you commit.
Komitmen. Bahasa Melayu lah.
Ya.
Nampak. Dia tengah stres.
Yang tu yang aku dulu lah.
Dia tengah stres. Anyway, yeah man, Alhamdulillah. Now, let's talk about berapa lama kita jadi amil kat sini. I think dah 4 tahun 4 tahun kita jadi amil kat sini. Pun tak tahu kenapa. Why we take up this position Volunteer
Itu volunteer.
Volunteer is a volunteer job lah.
Kalau tak volunteer, siapa nak volunteer?
Itu dia. No, I think bagusnya kita dapat betul-betul bertemu dengan orang. This is what I would say lah Kita betul-betul dapat jumpa orang, masalah orang yang dorang menghadapi down here, whatever they facing here. It's something different lah, I must say, bila kita accept this voluntary thingy lah. Alhamdulillah, we get to meet a lot of people, make a lot of new friends along the way.
situasi-situasi yang kita tak pernah dengar, yang kemuskilan pun ada. You know, there was a lot of different type of scenario lah, you know, masalah-masalah orang kat sini kan, which I was quite surprised lah. Jadi kita dengar apa macam nak cakap cringe-worthy tak lah, macam ada juga kes-kes ni. Okay, for example, satu brother ni dia ada 3 isteri. Ingat yang satu brother ni 3 isteri, yang dia pay zakat was for 13 orang. Ingat dia ni main-main, sekali tu betul lah dia pay naik. There is one, and then there is a lot of other cases macam orang betul nampak mewah tapi tak mewah lah, orang cakap kan. Looks can be deceiving but they're actually poor lah. You know, a lot lah, banyak lah, ego masing-masing. But yeah, so that is one of the reasons why I would say that boleh kita jadi amil it's just tanggungjawab lah, you know, tanggungjawab and amanah. Duit ni pun pergi patah balik ke KMIB, Harap Melayu Islam Victoria, where diorang akan decimate the amount to divide it across the Hasnaf, and then after that I believe there might be some other organisation that seperti Rumah Anak Yatim Rumah Anak Yatim berada is involved as well. Alhamdulillah, no. Yeah man, I think in the month of Ramadan, I think it's just about doing as much good as possible, in my opinion. You know, we are not perfect in the long run, but we are thinking that, you know, hopefully that we can do as much good deeds lah, insyaAllah. Other than that, yeah man, let's take a break lah, penat lah berbual. Ini betul-betul apa tau, orang kata apa, betul test iman tau. Right guys, kita jumpa lagi. Sekejap, stand by.
Yo, thank you so much. From Melbourne to the world, we're saying goodbye. Catch you next time, no need to ask why. Terima kasih, jumpa lagi. Kita chill saja, aku belum heboh lagi. Ini time, freestyle santai. Jumpa di episode seterusnya, nanti kita sampai. Jumpa lagi. Jumpa lagi, 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 jumpa lagi.